Imagine a device that could unlock the secrets of time itself, letting you glimpse the past or future with vivid clarity. In the icy wilderness of Siberia, near the Arctic Circle, a group of scientists claim to have built just that, a time mirror capable of bending reality. Strange lights, mysterious objects, and visions of history flooded their experiments, raising questions about human consciousness and the nature of time. At Real World Channel, we're diving into this mind-bending story, exploring claims that challenge science and ignite the imagination. Buckle up. This tale will pull you into a world where time isn't what it seems. The Kozyrev Mirror, a gateway to time. In the late 20th century, a Russian astrophysicist proposed a radical idea. Time isn't just a ticking clock, but a flowing energy field, carrying information across past, present, and future simultaneously. This energy, he argued, moves faster than light, untouched by gravity or electromagnetism, and can be harnessed using spiral-shaped aluminum mirrors. These Kozyrev mirrors, polished to a gleaming finish and coiled into a 1.5-turn spiral, were designed to capture and reflect this temporal energy, altering the density of time itself. Sitting inside one, a person could enter heightened states of consciousness, experiencing visions or even non-linear time, akin to deep meditation. Tragically, the physicist passed away in 1983 from stomach cancer, unable to fully share his discovery. But his work lived on, taken up by Russian scientists at a prestigious research institute. For over 30 years, they tested various mirror designs, finding the most potent results in areas with weak magnetic fields, like Siberia's remote Dixon and Novosibirsk regions. Their experiments, starting in December 1990, were nothing short of astonishing. Strange phenomena in Siberia. On December 24, 1990, in the village of Dixon, a peculiar experiment began. Scientists placed a researcher inside a Kozyrev mirror, and suddenly, the building glowed with strange lights. Witnesses outside reported a dazzling disc-shaped object hovering above, trailing a streak of light, appearing for hours before vanishing without a trace. Inside, the air filled with the sharp scent of ozone, and the space within the mirror seemed to shift, opening a window to another reality. Researchers saw streams of glowing symbols, many linked to ancient Sumerian culture, as if peering into a distant past. The local geophysical center recorded wild fluctuations in the Earth's magnetic field, accompanied by auroras and unidentified aerial objects during these experiments. Participants reported extraordinary effects, heightened intuition, telepathy, and even psychokinesis. One researcher described it as a vibration in every cell, like swimming upward through light, free and exhilarating, yet still myself. Another felt energy building inside the mirror, lifting them into a state of serene clarity, as if floating toward a radiant star. Telepathic connections across time. The experiments grew bolder. In 1990 and 1991, scientists tested telepathic communication using the mirrors. One person inside a Kozyrev mirror in Dixon would send symbolic images through thought, while another, thousands of kilometers away, received them. Astonishingly, the symbols matched with 95% accuracy. In June 1993, a global experiment involved participants in Asia, Europe, and the Americas. Those in the US and Canada, trained in mental focus, received telepathic signals with 98% accuracy, while results in Western Europe and Asia ranged from 36% to 66%. These numbers stunned researchers, hinting at a universal field connecting human minds. Even more unsettling were the time anomalies. In a July 1990 experiment, two groups in different Siberian cities sent signals through the mirrors. Of 105 transmissions, some arrived hours late, others simultaneously, and 49 arrived before they were sent, by up to 7 hours. This suggested the mirrors could access information from the future, stored in an unseen field. One scientist remarked, "This defies modern physics. Quantum theory can't explain it, yet we've repeated these results countless times." Visions of the past and future participants reported vivid visions of historical events. A historian inside a mirror saw a man in ornate armor, adorned with colorful feathers, and instantly knew it was Genghis Khan, accompanied by an advisor from his early conquests. Others glimpsed scenes from Tsarist Russia, the Battle of Stalingrad, or medieval Moscow, as if stepping into a living memory. One woman, concerned about her grandson's health, saw her son in a lush summer field, standing outside an unfamiliar house. Months later, her son moved to that exact house for her grandson's well-being, confirming her vision with eerie precision. Skeptics dismiss these claims as pseudoscience, arguing the visions could be hallucinations or wishful thinking. Yet the consistency across experiments, conducted rigorously and repeated over decades, challenges such skepticism. The mirrors seem to tap into a collective consciousness, accessing information beyond physical boundaries. Some theorize this aligns with Carl Jung's concept of the collective unconscious, a shared reservoir of human experience, though the mirror's ability to predict future events remains unexplained. A portal to consciousness? The researchers' ultimate goal was ambitious: to create a global network of Kozyrev mirrors, linking humanity to a universal consciousness. They believed these devices could unlock the mysteries of time and the mind, offering glimpses into history and the future. While claims of extraterrestrial connections or cosmic origins surfaced in some reports, we remain cautious, as we've noted in prior videos. Such ideas often lack evidence and risk overshadowing the experiment's tangible results. Instead, the mirrors suggest a profound link between human consciousness and an unseen temporal field, challenging our linear view of reality. At Real World Channel, we see the Kozyrev mirror experiments as a window into the unknown. Whether they truly bend time or amplify the mind's hidden potential, these Siberian trials push the boundaries of science. They invite us to question: could we access the past or future? Is time a river we can navigate? The answers remain elusive, but the pursuit of them is electrifying, urging us to explore the edges of what's possible.